Hey everyone, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Yamaha AR240. Guys, this is a nice boat I just took in on brokerage, sold it new to the customer. Always used here in upstate South Carolina on a freshwater lake. Never a saltwater boat, guys. Boat's in great condition. Again, this is a 2020 AR240. It's got the blue hull side color. Comes with the shorelander trailer that it's sitting on. It's got the blue tower to match the hull side. Guys, looking at the transom here, you'll see it's got the full C-deck matting. It has the Fusion remote stereo at the transom so that you can change your music, Bluetooth your phone, everything from the back while you're swimming and hanging out. Nice boarding ladder here in the center. Bear with me as I get aboard. All right. Guys, taking a good look at the cockpit. You'll see plenty of wraparound bench seating here in the back. Nice walk-through transom with a captain and co-captain's chairs, guys. You'll see the captain's chair does have a bolster. Beautiful boat, guys. Nice clean shape. Little rear view mirror there. Guys, the boat's got right at 73 hours. Again, that's freshwater hours. Boat shows nice. All the cushions are in good shape. Guys, this boat shows like it's new. The anchor locker up front has a nice boarding ladder as well. Guys, again, this is a 2020 AR240 located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. For more information, please give me a call on my cell phone, 864-350-0145. Thank you for taking a look. Have a great day.